the bustling heart of Valencia, Casa Cirilo stands as a testament to modern architectural transformation. This newly renovated home, spanning 120 square meters, is the result of a comprehensive reform project aimed at infusing the space with contemporary style and functionality. The project's success is evident in every corner of the house, showcasing a seamless blend of aesthetic appeal and practical living. Casa Cirilo's design pays homage to the traditional style of the Valencian ensanche houses while incorporating modern elements. The home's original layout, characterized by its long, dark corridors and small, compartmentalized rooms, has been reimagined to meet the needs of today's homeowners. The transformation prioritizes light and space, creating an environment that is both inviting and practical. A standout feature of Casa Cirilo is its elegant wooden flooring, laid in a classic herringbone pattern. This choice of material not only adds a touch of sophistication but also ties together the various rooms of the house, creating a sense of continuity and harmony. Wood, as a material, plays a crucial role in the home's overall design, providing warmth and a welcoming atmosphere. One of the primary goals of the renovation was to maximize natural light throughout the house. This was achieved by integrating the kitchen with the living and dining areas, a move that enhances the flow of the space and makes it more conducive to modern living. A sliding glass door separates these areas, allowing light to permeate while maintaining the distinct functions of each room. This clever design element not only increases the feeling of spaciousness but also ensures that the entire day area is bathed in natural light. The interior design of Casa Cirilo features warm tones that envelop the space with a cozy, inviting feel. The choice of colors and materials throughout the home contributes to a sense of comfort and relaxation. This thoughtful design approach ensures that Casa Cirilo is not just a house, but a home where residents can truly feel at ease. The transformation of Casa Cirilo reflects a broader trend in urban home renovations, where the focus is on creating living spaces that are both beautiful and functional. By addressing the practical needs of modern homeowners while preserving the charm of traditional architecture, Casa Cirilo exemplifies how thoughtful design can enhance everyday living. Casa Cirilo's comprehensive renovation project has successfully transformed a once dark, compartmentalized house into a bright, spacious, and functional home. The use of wooden flooring, strategic integration of living spaces, and warm interior tones all contribute to its modern, yet cozy atmosphere. This home serves as a model for future renovations, demonstrating that with careful planning and design, any space can be reinvented to meet contemporary needs while retaining its unique character.